You've probably heard about the Whole30 by now. You've heard of someone who's done it or had great success with the program, or you've seen it on your local news channel or national media. You can think of the Whole30 like pushing the reset button with your health, your habits, and your relationship with food. So for 30 days, you'll pull out foods that the scientific literature and our clinical experience have shown to be really commonly problematic to varying degrees across a broad range of people. You're gonna pull that stuff out of your diet and see what changes. Energy, sleep, mood, attention span, skin, cravings, aches and pains, any number of medical symptoms. What happens when you pull these potentially problematic foods out of your diet for a whole month? At the end of the 30 days, you'll reintroduce those foods very carefully and systematically, one at a time, like a scientific experiment, and you'll see what changes. This information lets you create the perfect diet for you long term, because there is no one size fits all.